This tutorial will show you how to create and work with master pages in the 1.4 series of Scribus. Scribus is not a word processing tool, so you will most likely be creating your content elsewhere. Scribus is best used to design what you actually want your document to look like. This is easily accomplished by creating master pages, then applying them to different sections in your document. When you first open the software, you will be prompted to set up your new document. You can choose single page for things like reports that are viewed one page at a time, double-sided for a book or magazine layout with left and right side pages, or 3 or 4 fold, which creates brochures. I'm going to start with a single page document, and later I'll show you how to use a double-sided document. This dialog window will also allow you to adjust things like page size and margins, but I'm going to leave this at the default settings for now. Choose single page and click OK. Your blank page has blue borders, which indicate your margins, and red borders that show you the edge of the page. Keep the elements you add inside the blue margins so that it will print correctly. Now I'm going to add some pages to this document. Click Page, then Insert, then I'm going to add 5 pages. If I scroll down, you'll see that there are pages added. Now to design my master page, I'll click Windows and Arrange Pages. The top part of this box shows the available master page. When I double-click on Normal, the current name of my master page, I am able to edit. Now the page on my screen is a master page, not one in my document. I'm going to add some elements to it. When you first begin to format your pages, the elements you will use the most are the text frame and the image frame. These are here on the toolbar at the top of the page. I'm going to start by adding an image frame. When I select this on the toolbar, my pointer turns to a picture icon. I click and hold the mouse button, then drag until my image frame is the size I want. As you can see, once the frame is in place, it will be adjustable in size, as well as movable on the page. Next, I'm going to add some text frames. Click on the text frame icon, then use the same drag and drop method to add the location of some text. I'm going to add a title box and a main box for my content. Notice that I do have to click on the icon each time that I add an element. When I'm done, I can close the Edit Master Page window. As you can see, all of my pages have the same format. Now I'm going to show you how to work with multiple master pages. Open a new document by clicking the New icon in the upper left corner of the toolbar. When I create a new document, I'm going to choose double-sided and click OK. I'm going to add 5 pages, click Page, then Insert, and if the Arrange Pages window isn't already open, click Window, then Arrange Pages. This time, I have 2 master pages, one for the left and one for the right. I can double-click on Normal Left, which opens my left-hand or odd-numbered pages. Just as shown in the single page design, lay out how you want the left pages to look. Close the Edit Master Pages dialog, then double-click the normal right page. Add the layout you would like for all the right side pages. Then close the Edit Master Pages dialog. As you can see, the left and right layout are applied to the correct pages in the document. But what if I want a few pages to look different? Double-click on either Normal Left or Normal Right to open the Edit Master Pages dialog. Click the Add a New Master Page icon. I'm going to name this one Table. Then I'll select that it will be used on some left side pages. My screen changes to a blank page. I'll add another element we haven't used yet, Insert, and then Insert Table. I can select how many columns and rows I need. Then a table is added to the page. When I close the Edit Master Page dialog, Table has been added to my available master pages. I'll use a shortcut to applying a master page. In the Arrange Pages dialog, I can click and drag the word table down to the page I want to convert. Now you can see that the document is formatted the way that I have selected. The 3- and 4-fold documents work in a similar way. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to use master pages in Scribus. This video is brought to you by the Professional Writing Club. For more information, follow us on Twitter at PWClub@UAB and like us on Facebook at Professional Writing Club at UAB.